And from your research, have you sort of seen SMEs are starting to invest more in those remote and digital tools to support their customers better, or to even obtain those leads from different sources?
I think it goes without saying that digital tools have become indispensable when it comes to small businesses in the last 12 months, and indeed a trend that's been happening for the last few years. I think particularly cloud-based tools and the ability to access systems, customers, accounts, all types of information remotely or at any location has become critical, not just for some businesses, but really all businesses.
Yeah, we've seen it really accelerate digital transformation, haven't we?
Indeed, indeed. Look, I don't think it's an option anymore for businesses. I think, yes, some normal life will return for small businesses once the pandemic is completely past its worst part. But I think some of these tools are going to become critical going forward as well, particularly for attracting new customers, as I mentioned.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, I think we've all started to see that hybrid will become more so the new normal rather than us just shifting back to what we were. What do you sort of think is next in terms for businesses with tech now moving to that hybrid state? Sort of what changes do you think that we're going to need to adapt to next?
Lauren, I think it's going to be a continuation of the improvement in productivity tools for employees and businesses to be
Absolutely.
able to manage their employees. I think a hybrid workforce is really going to mean more employees at more locations. It's going to mean the need for the availability of applications, no matter where the customer is or indeed where the employee is. So I think we're going to see a wave of technology to come on top of all this hybridization, let's say, to manage it for businesses. And I think artificial intelligence is probably going to have a fair bit to do with that, because we're talking about in some cases very large workforces or indeed very complex scenarios where the management tools become really critical to how you approach the hybrid workforce.